this wasn't in the way, you know what I mean? Should have left it because we're going to end up doing the crossing within another couple of years, but we're going to have to cut it. Oh no, you got it. He's holding it by the freaking lip of it too. That's crazy. So we can zoom in on it. Look at that on the lip. It's crazy. Surprised he hasn't dropped it. Come on. Again by the lip of the rail. That is wild. I figured he'd sweep it like the whole thing. That is something you don't see every day. That is awesome. And that rail has to be over 100 foot maybe? I don't know. Definitely over 50. You can drive it and move it forwards and backwards from that seat too. That's awesome. The end.